We're heading off to Ninh. Hey guys, Dino here, 3-star nomadic, and today we leave Hanoi and head down to Ninh to a little town called Tam Coc. Let's go have a look, dudes.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
That took about 2 hours, I think, about in the car, and it cost around about, I don't know, it's about $100 or something Australian. So here we are at the Tam Coc family hotel. So I hope it's my hotel. Let's go in and have a look. So I got all, she set me up there with the water because she had someone she was talking to. And my God, could she talk, that lady. She was going through about every tour in the town. And that poor girl was having to sit there and listen to it, which I'm sure she didn't want to. Anyway, as I was sitting there looking through the photos, I thought, this doesn't even look like the place that I've booked. And it wasn't. Family friendly homestay. So that'd be bloody me. There you go, right next to a cool little restaurant. So here we, and a booking agent, which I'm gonna need. So we'll go in and see where we're at. Anyway, so the lady's disappeared again. She sort of saw me, then she disappeared and got me a drink. Now she's disappeared again. Maybe she's making me a hamburger. I don't know. No hamburger in there. Okay guys, so this is the room. Now I don't expect too much from this because this only cost about 15 Australian dollars a night. It's on the main road. It's got obviously hot water. I don't know if it works or not, but first impressions, everything looks actually quite spotless, so well done. It's even got a little window there that goes out to the room, so pretty high ceilings, older building, yeah, sort of pretty good. It's got a fridge which I've just plugged in, so I don't know how well that works. The aircon I can feel is working, and it's got a fan. So 15 Aussie dollars a night. If I'm wrong, it could have been 20, but so it's in Tam Coc near Ninh, Vietnam, and I booked it on booking.com. So here we are guys, got a little convenience store right there. I think there might have been one on the other side I saw too. So obviously an absolute bundle of restaurants along here. I reckon it'll probably bring a nice little atmosphere tonight too when everyone's out and about. It's still pretty warm and sweaty. It has been pretty much all the time that I've been over here, you know. So yeah, but hey, this is the main street of Tam Coc. Hello. All right, so what have we got here? It's like a nice newly paved area. So this is the lake, which is right in Tam Coc here. So there's heaps of tours guys. There's you know, all different sorts of prices. Obviously this is one of them where they'll take you out on the boat, and it's quite interesting actually. I think they row it with their feet, so it should be worth a look. See what they've got on here. So the boat leaves from here, but I have to get this bus here, and it'll take me to a ticket counter 300 meters away to get a ticket. Then he's going to bring me back here, and then I'll catch it. That's a little bit strange I think, but anyway, that's the way it is. I don't know. There's nobody here. So here we go guys. just arrived, got in the hotel, had a feed, and catching maybe one of the last boats of the day to go on this apparently hour and 40, but I'd be happy with an hour, but we'll see. We might have to strap an outboard to the back of it. So we've got this lovely lady here which is gonna row me up the river. Seems everyone coming back that I've looked at got this really concerned, worry look on their face. So I don't know what's up ahead of us. Not being very gentlemanly like, am I? Letting the lady row the whole way. How times have changed. Had a huge crack of thunder, so there might be a big storm coming in as we go down the little river in Tam Coc, Vietnam. Coca-Cola can. Sort of looks like crocodile country a little bit to me, so I don't know if they have crocs, alligators or anything around this area. I might check that out. But yeah, it's the sort of place you just with the temperature and the water lilies. I don't know, you're just half expecting a croc to pop its head up straight in front. And remember, never smile at a crocodile. So here we go, we're going into a big cave. So here we are in the cave, guys. It's pretty awesome actually. Very nice. Pretty awesome. This is awesome. Haven't seen a lot of wildlife just yet, but some nice big birds up in this tree over here. Seen a couple of real cute little baby ducks around. Still no crocodiles, but a few human beings. I'm just thinking when I got that ticket, it was so weird, wasn't it? Like, the boats were right there, and yet you had to go 300 metres down the road to get your ticket and then come back to get the boat. It was so strange. It was like being at, say, the Royal Show and going to the ticket booth right out the front of the Ferris wheel, and then saying to you, no, you got to go 300 metres down there to the bumper cars, buy the ticket and then come back. Okay. But who cares? Because I'm here, man. Look at this joint. There's a croc. Someone's little camp in there. Oh, what a cool little camp, eh? Might be a B&B. Rice paddy over there, and on the other side, no shortage of water there, is there? Oh yeah. See the VIP service get an engine. I should have met him, man. We could have gone for a rip in that one. I'll hunt him down next time. So we're out of the rain for a little bit. Does it echo in here? 3-star nomadic! Oi! A little bit. Got to watch your head here. Gets a bit low through some of this. And then we're back. What a great day. Alright, what an awesome day, guys. So from Dino at 3-star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track. Hey guys, please consider subscribing. I really do put a lot of work into these videos, so your subscription would mean the world to me. Catch you down the track.